Hi there. In this video, I want to give you a quick tip for if you're creating a square knot sinnet, which is where we make a line of square knots that are right on top of each other. So I'm going to start by making my square knot. I'm going to take my left piece, cross it over my middle two, and back behind my right, making a number 4. And then I'll take my right piece behind the middle two and in front of the left. That's half my square knot. To complete it, I'll take my right piece, cross it in front of the middle two and behind my left, so that's a backwards number 4. And then I'll take my left piece and go behind the middle two and in front of the right. So whenever you're making a square knot sinnet, it can be hard to remember when you make a bunch of square knots right on top of each other which side you're supposed to come from, especially if you're a beginner and you have a hard time telling which square knot is which. Ooh, sorry about the lawnmower. So a nice little trick is if you see this little notch here on the left, and it's the one closest to the bottom. You can see 3 of these notches, 1, 2, 3. If you look at the one closest to the bottom, it's on my left side, so I know that I'm supposed to start with my left for my next square knot. So if you'll watch, I'll take my left, cross in front of my middle two and behind my right, and then I'll take my right, cross behind the middle two and in front of my left, and I'll tighten. And now that little notch is over here on my right side. So now I know I need to go starting from the right. And now it returns again to my left side. So that's just a nice little trick for you. If you're having to make a bunch of square knots right on top of each other, especially like if you're doing a plant hanger, that's a nice little trick to use.